Ever had a critical piece of industrial equipment go down because of a failing interface? It's a nightmare, right? Well, today we're diving into a solution that promises to bring those essential control panels back to life without breaking the bank. We're talking about the JUHDXXQD membrane switch keyboard touchscreen, specifically designed for the Siemens KTP400 and TP177B-4 series. Now, anyone who works with industrial automation knows that these HMI panels, like the KTP400, with its 6AV66470 AK 113AX0 designation, or the TP177B4, Model 6AV66420BD013AX0, are absolute workhorses. They endure constant use, sometimes in harsh environments, and eventually their membrane keypads and touchscreens just give up. That's where reliable replacement becomes absolutely crucial. This JUHDXXQD unit steps in as a direct fit, offering both the keypad and the touchpad functionality in one single, convenient package. What immediately stands out is the promise of a seamless swap. When you're dealing with production lines, every minute of downtime costs serious money. The idea that you can simply replace a worn-out interface with a unit like this and get your system back up and running quickly is incredibly appealing. The manufacturer, JUHDXXQD, has clearly focused on compatibility, ensuring this isn't some generic, ill-fitting part. It's built to match the original specifications, which is paramount for precise operation. Thinking about performance, the responsiveness of both the keypad and the touchscreen is what truly matters here. In an industrial setting, you need immediate feedback and accurate input. There's no room for ghost touches or unresponsive buttons when you're controlling critical processes. While we can't physically test it right now, the expectation is that this unit delivers crisp, tactile feedback from the membrane keys and a smooth, accurate response from the touch surface. It's about restoring that original, reliable user experience. Durability is another huge factor. These panels aren't bobbied. They're often exposed to dust, grime, and repetitive pressing. A good replacement needs to withstand that abuse. The construction of a membrane switch is key here, and a well-made one should offer a long operational life, mirroring or even exceeding the original component. It's a single unit, meaning less fuss during installation, which is always a plus for maintenance teams. Ultimately, this JUHDXXQD replacement for the KTP400 and TP177B-4 isn't just a part. It's a lifeline for your industrial equipment. It offers a practical, cost-effective way to extend the life of expensive HMI panels, ensuring your operations stay smooth and efficient. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to restore full functionality to their Siemens control systems without the hefty price tag of an OEM replacement. So, if you're facing a failing HMI interface, this JUHDXXQD membrane switch keyboard touchscreen could be the exact solution you've been searching for. It's a solid contender for bringing reliability back to your industrial automation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.